want to show you how you can save a lot of money by using a data analysis tool within Chatgpt. So if you're a small business, really capitalize on the free tooling that GPT is allowing you to. And I'll give you an example. There's a client who basically is using Setmore as a booking system for their healthcare procedures for their clients. And that Setmore doesn't have a dashboard. So what happens? Basically, you log in and you cannot see any growth or change month over month in the booking. So if you're a small and medium business and you use some sort of booking system, be it a restaurant, being a healthcare, being a dentist, it doesn't matter, and you don't have a dashboard and you do have some Excel file they allow you to download as a database, and you don't want to hire a data analyst or some sort of marketing guru to help you with that and waste a lot of money, just use the free tool for ChatGPT. Especially if you're not really proficient in using Google Sheets or Excel, creating pivot tables, plot charts, pie charts, you are not really sure how to use all those systems as a business owner, because I mean, you don't have time to focus on that if you want to grow your business. So you basically can use ChatGPT to do a simple analysis. So what do? You just open ChatGPT, you copy paste a CSV file there, and then you start asking the business questions you want. How many bookings I got this month? Do we have a growth in the bookings this year over last year? Can you tell me who is the most productive employee? Can you tell me who is the least productive employee? Can you show me the most revenue driven month this year and the comparison to last year? And ChatGPT 4, even the free version, allows you to upload the files and basically get this drill down in charts, and you can have that conversation with it about your business by just feeding the new data in it. So therefore, ChatGPT becomes your little data analyst rather than you hiring someone, searching for someone, paying money to someone if you do not know how to work within Google Sheets. So pretty much download the CSV, upload it to ChatGPT, make it your sales data analyst, and start asking it business questions and get the answer, especially if you want to do it fast and you're a little bit lazy like me. So don't be an idiot, go do it, go try it out. I think it's going to be super awesome. You'll basically open up a new world for yourself. So good luck.